Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best electric nail guns that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Porter Cable Cordless Brad Nailer Kit. This electric nail gun works without compressors, hoses, and gas cartridges. The 1.5Ah rechargeable battery never troubles you with charging. Moreover, the cordless brad nailer comes along with an integrated belt hook. You can use this model for driving the 18-gauge nails. However, the depth adjustment wheel lets you customize the drill sizes accordingly. The rapid release mechanism also lets you clear the nail jams quickly. Furthermore, the depth adjustment window increases the practicality of this model. The multi-function front positioned LED light serves as the work light. Nevertheless, this machine comes with a tool-less stall release lever. The magazine can hold up to 100 pieces of nails at once. Moving on at number 4, we have pneumatic brad nailer. The brad nailer does not make operation critical for non-professionals. Hence, you can utilize this nail gun for DIY projects. Moreover, this purchase brings your 2,000 pieces of nails. This machine shoots 18-gauge brads within the length of 3/8 to 2 inch. The magazine of this tool accommodates up to 106 counts of nails. This pneumatic brad nailer also has a depth adjustment wheel. Furthermore, the power tool works within the pressure range of 60 to 115 psi. This model is suitable for a 1/4 inch NPT air inlet. Nevertheless, the nose latch lets you clear the jammed nails with ease. The adjustable exhaust port allows you to change the pneumatic air output. At number 3, we have Craftsman Cordless Brad Nailer Kit. This cordless brad nailer kit is an ideal choice for projectors. The belt hook lets you have easy access to your tools. Moreover, the contoured over-molded handle provides a comfortable grip during operation. This electric nail gun works as a cordless model. However, you will never have to use hoses, compressors, and gas cartridges. The optimal center of gravity also reduces fatigue on your wrists. Furthermore, this machine is capable of providing continuous firing power. You can use this tool on different materials and any climate condition. Nevertheless, the nail gun offers tool-free jam and stall settings. Hence, you can improve the efficiency of this tool. At number 2, we have Neumaster Brad Nailer. Handling a personal project becomes hassle-free with this electric nail gun. This power tool is also the best choice for woodworking. Moreover, the power adjustable knob lets you customize the nailing strength easily. This set includes 336 pieces of staples and 200 counts of nails. Nevertheless, this staple gun has a soft handle. Therefore, without any tension, you can operate this instrument for hours. This over-molded grip also makes operation convenient for hours. Furthermore, you can use this handy tool for installing sheets. The quick release mechanism makes this model quite practical. However, this tool is capable of driving 30 shots in a minute. And finally at number 1. Chemo Cordless Brad Nailer. The battery-operated cordless electric nail gun makes operation complication-free. The dual-mode toggle switch also increases the efficiency of this model. Moreover, this model lets you pick between contact actuation and sequential. This lightweight power tool works well with 3/4 to 2 inch long nails. However, the nail gun is compatible with 3/4 to 1-5/8 inch long staples. The LED light of this model works as a functional work light. Furthermore, this model runs on a 2.0Ah lithium-ion battery. A single charge lets you drive up to 700 brads into the wood. Nevertheless, the rotation knob helps you to change the firing depth accordingly.